And to be fair, man, like the WWE has so much in the tank about like, and this is probably what goes to maybe something happening with the ID program was that you have LFG, you have the NIL, then you have, you know, NXT. Like you have all these things kind of like juggling this developmental system that you're trying to build up. And the ID program is just kind of like, hey, here's a bunch of other wrestlers who are established on the indies, and we're going to try to bring them in and get them WWE ready.